Hello and Namaste. This is Shalini and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I make food and recipe videos, and today I'm here with another Onam Sadya recipe which is called Vellarikka Kichadi. But before that, I'm going to explain what is Kichadi and how it is different from another Onam Sadya dish which is called Pachadi. Now, Pachadi and Kichadi are both yogurt based dishes, but there are two main differences between both of them. Pachadi is mildly sweet because the main ingredient used is mostly fruits such as pineapple or sweet vegetables such as beetroot or carrot. And Kichadi can be mildly spicy or sour based on the main vegetable that is used like bitter gourd, okra or even cucumber. The second main difference is based on the use of mustard. Now in Pachadi, mustard is used only during tempering, and in Kichadi, mustard is used while grinding along with coconut and it is cooked during the process. It is also used during the tempering process. And today I am making Vellarikka Kichadi, which is Kichadi made with yellow cucumber. I hope you will try out this recipe, and if you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now without further ado, let's get into the video.
And here are the ingredients for Vellarikka Kichadi. To make Vellarikka Kichadi, we are using yellow cucumber, and we are taking only about 200 grams of it. I have peeled, de-seeded and chopped it into such tiny pieces. Now heat a pan and add the chopped cucumber. Add about 1/8 cup of water. Season it with some salt. Mix lightly and cover and cook till the cucumber is soft and dry. Meanwhile, grind about 3/4 cup of grated coconut, about 2 to 3 large green chilies, half teaspoon of mustard, half teaspoon cumin, and about 1/4 cup of slightly sour curd. Grind it to a smooth paste. Now let's check whether the cucumber is cooked and the water is evaporated completely. Once done, add the ground coconut paste. Add about 1 cup of beaten curd. Season with some salt and mix well. We do not want it to boil, but we are going to thoroughly mix it. Add some curry leaves and mix again. We are going to mix till the steam arises. Again, we do not want it to boil. Now we are going to do the tempering. For this, add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and mustard, followed by some curry leaves. Add about 2 to 3 dry red chilies and some asafoetida or hing, that is cayenne. Now add the tempering to the kichadi and close immediately. Now after about 5 minutes, give it a good mix. We are going to serve the kichadi only after about 30 minutes at least. And that's it. Vellarikka Kichadi is ready. Easy peasy, don't you think? If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.